Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Bridge. In this session we will see how Node.js can be installed on your Windows system. Okay, let's get started into the details, and then we will go through like a few of the important points to take away regarding Node.js. I am very happy to inform you all our Maths Bridge happy learners. We have a YouTube channel. Our knowledge content corpus is keep get growing, so feel free to visit our channel at YouTube, www.youtube.com at mathsbridge. Sure thing is always there for you to take away some new content from there. I would highly recommend you to actually share the channel information to the people who are in need. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and then support us. Happy learning. We shall see introduction to Node.js, how to download and install Node.js on your environment, how to verify installed Node.js version, how to test console messages on Node.js command prompt. We can also test first JavaScript, my first.js script, okay, using Node.js engine. Let's get started. Node.js. What is Node.js and why we actually need the Node.js? That is the first thing that we have to answer ourselves, right? Node.js is like an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. What that means is it lets you run the JavaScript files. That's an idea. Like JavaScript is a part of your web development you have already gone through, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript together we use for building a dynamic web development. Agree? So for let you download the JavaScript file, you require a Java runtime environment which is being provided by the Node.js. Node.js runs V8 JavaScript engine, and then this is most important part that you have to understand. So that's why we are trying to install Node.js on our development environment. uh, Here I'm using like a Windows system, so I would be using like a Google Chrome for downloading Node.js from internet. Make sure you have a internet connectivity in your laptop or desktop, whichever you're using. Okay, you can use like IE, Google Chrome, or any other web browser that you would you know uh, use it. Okay, I'm fine with that. So here I'm using like a Google Chrome, and then I have, you can see my screen, that is a landing page of the Google is already there in front of me. So what I will do is like I will type Node.js download. It takes me to the Node.js website URL. So if you can click on, you can visit the nodejs.org download page. What you would do is like you scroll down a little bit, and then you can find out like a Windows installer.msa file. Click here using your mouse. What it will do is like your file getting downloaded into your download folder of your system, look, your laptop, for instance. Okay, I could see here like file got downloaded, and then you can visit that to path. Do you see here? So this is the current version when I was trying to download, but depends upon the time when you're going to download. I think the latest version is always there in your download folder once you click on download, and download is successful. Okay, what you do is like to install Node.js, just double click here, and then it takes you to the pop-up window. The instructions actually let you know like what you would be doing next, because you can click on next here and accept, right, and then go to next. The folder automatically choosing by that installer, so you don't need to do anything, just keep moving, right? All right, install. So the status bar actually let you know like the progress of installation. So it is keep doing the installation, updating component registration and all. As part of installation, you can just simply monitor like what is happening. Great. So installation is successful, and I can see in my screen Node.js has been successfully installed. So click on finish. Then how do you test whether the installation is really successful, right? So what you do is, right, you can command prompt, right? So where you can type node.js hyphen version. Okay, node.js is typo, probably I think you have to use node. Great. So I can see now, because the installation which I made here in today's session is like version 22.13.0, and then my laptop is like x86. So now you can see the version that I am holding. Great. So and I have successfully installed Node.js on my system. Since we installed Node.js, now we will try test whether the environment is working or not working, right? So what we do, like I launch the command prompt window, and then where I would be typing node hyphen version, which basically like displays me like what version of Node.js that my development environment has got installed. So here I can see v22.13.0. Now what you do, like a type node and then enter, it actually takes you to command prompt, right? What you do here is actually type console.log, and maybe put like an hello may this bridge. We can do that, right? So it basically like process this console message and display the string on the console. Do you see hello math bridge? You can do a lot of things, like do like a math calculation also here. So it is compute the results and then display on the console. Let's say 2 plus 3 returns 5. So that means like now the Node.js environment is ready. You can start writing JavaScripts, and execute the JavaScript on this environment, and then you can see like whether you are able to run it or not. So this basically provides a basic environment where you can start writing your JavaScript programs and then test yourself using this environment. I hope this helps. Okay, keep learning, keep practicing. One more quick test, what we can do is like we will create a small file where we add a JavaScript instructions, and then try run that file, means like execute that file, right? I named the file called my first JavaScript. .js is a extension for JavaScript. So if I can open this file using my notepad, so all have is one statement called console.log hello math bridge. What I would be doing is that how I would like to run this file, this JavaScript file, from console using node command. So let's see how it happens. So here is the command prompt, and then navigated to placeholders where I have the file. Okay, so my first JS, what you would be doing, click on node and type my first.js. uh, when you hit the enter, node executes this file and then redirect the console messages onto your screen. Do you see now the content that what we have in the file is like to display string called hello maths. When we execute using like a node my first.js, it redirect that particular console message onto your screen, and hence I could see here hello math space. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on bell icon and leave the comments. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to upcoming sessions.